So, package came, and we're pretty excited for it. Because you can't start a vlog unless you take it serious. So we got a camera. We don't have to use action cameras in our phone. Here we go. Jen, get in here. Oh, look at this. And it's Peter McKinnon.
Of course.
You know it's good.
Peter McKinnon.
He's everywhere. I love him. I don't even know him, but I just want to know him. That's your user manual. Holy crap. But I was like, I'm not reading that. I guess that's for your warranty products. Oh, this is the warranty thing. What am I saying?
I'm just getting in here.
Here's your battery.
Battery.
We're gonna start
Charger.
videoing.
We need to
right away. We've been eyeing up cameras for a while now. I'm really excited that we have a proper camera. I've been borrowing my sister's. Jen's breaking stuff.
No.
I've been borrowing my sister's for so long, and she's been gracious enough to let me use it. It's been amazing for me to learn and realize I love filming. I gotta show you the Peter McKinnon trick. Lenses.
That's crispy.
Yeah, smaller than I thought, but here's so you can see it.
Well. Oh my gosh. Here.
What do you have here, Jen? Oh, let me feel that. That's not as heavy as I thought it would be. Let's just grab this. T7i. Jen, we got our first camera.
Can I put the lens on? I'm so scared. This is embarrassing.
Well, we've seen your unboxing video, so.
This is accurate. Wait.
All right, got it. White mark. Those are the always have marks. Click, click. Oh, look at that thing.
Oh, that is super exciting.
So I just realized something that we have in our editing. There's a thing called warp stabilizer. So if there's a bit of shake, it'll analyze the footage and take out and remove the shake and make it look smoother. And I was just like, ugh, the things you learn.
Time that's been a thing.
This is image stabilization in the lens. So hopefully we can do this the right way. Oh yeah.
So excited.
This is to on.
Set her up.
All right.
It's not 2017.
We're gonna do a little setup here, so we're gonna take a photo of us with our first camera.
Let's try it.
Well, that's great.
Wow. That is the best first photo ever.
Looks like your parents trying to figure out how to use Skype.
Okay.
Can't wait to play this and start learning. And I couldn't help myself, so I set it all up.